video, but it's way too long. It was over half an hour, so I'm not gonna be uploading that because it will need a verification and all kinds of stuff, and I totally forgot my password to this YouTube account, but I have it saved inside my phone. So let's look at that. And I have to change the email address as well. So we're changing everything about this YouTube channel except for the name. So you guys know where you find it. It'll always be Book of Lillian. And they're actually three rules about this. One rule, you don't read books in this YouTube channel in a book club. I'm not saying like a real one, a serious book club that you actually read books in. The first rule, you do not read books in this YouTube channel. I'll just call it the book phrase? I don't know. Give me a phrase to use. First of all, you don't read books here. Second of all, if you're gonna smash something, only smash that like button. And the last rule is, you subscribe, you might get a shout out. You don't subscribe, you're not gonna get a shout out. That's just how it rolls. And now, if you subscribe to me, I will go to your channel and subscribe to you. So be expecting a subscription from me. So I'm playing with this little spinning top thing for dolls. I just used the bead to make this. And I have little ice cream things with twins. Chocolate and vanilla. But anyways, they all got kittens. Not everyone, but a few of them, they share them all, and I'll show you what it is. Ready? And I'm not going to talk, and I'll just talk at the end. Ready? you guys enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Please push like